Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. And waiting for this game to load. I wonder what is up, guys, what is up?
Pasio is an incredible piece of land. Perhaps one day it will belong
to okay, guys. I think we have a new Spotlight Scout. We have an Evolution Crystal present and an Evolution Shard present. Thank you so much. Why do we have presents? Why do we have presents here? And there's a 5-star select special scout where you can get characters. Anyway, I think we saw some evolution things. We are going to do that right now, guys. And main story chapters 22 to 24 added. Oh my goodness, so many things to do right now, guys. Before anything else, not training area. Sync pair stories. Oh my goodness. So many Pokemon, so many characters to evolve, guys. Oh my goodness, so many characters to evolve. And what else? What else? Let's see if we can actually scout someone. We can scout for Elessa. I don't have any food since yesterday. Kind of hungry. No, Elessa. No, Elessa. Why? So, offering rate for these characters, for these characters, for these characters. Come on. Nothing of interest, guys. No one. Notes. Oh well. Let's try and scout for Leaf once again before moving on to our next part. Come on, Leaf. No Leaf, guys. No Leaf. Anyway, time to evolve some characters. We'll do this together, one character at a time. Sync pair stories. Let's do Lieutenant Surge in order, guys. Lieutenant Surge. And let's just watch a day with Lieutenant Surge. For the meantime, you've already completed this area, so first time completion rewards are no longer available. Would you like to replay this area? Yes, I would like to. Enjoy watching. I'll only pick the first option to save time.
Hey, you. Sorry.
Yeah, you made me jump.
Gotcha.
How so?
On the double. What?
Does it want a battle?
Good work, kid. Running up.
I won't lose. I won't lose. I won't lose even to the Happy Lemon and Fan Art Festival thing. Bang. Ow! Oh! Complete, guys. Okay, time to evolve Voltorb. We have a lot of items. We have so many items in the sense that let's just see how many items we have. If I cannot evolve all my characters, I have no comment because I think I have 141 evolution shards, 36 evolution crystals, everything complete, guys. I never missed even one. So with that said, Sync Pair Stories, Lieutenant Surge, Voltorb's evolution. We are at 115 Lieutenant Surge. We're gonna use 5 of these evolution shards. Yes. Yes. Unfortunately, this battle might be a bit too easy. I wanna use a sync move, but I don't think this is gonna
Will you lend me a
allow me.
hand?
Affirmative. Ugh. Ready up.
Here we come.
Clean fight. Okay, guys. Time to battle.
Victory will be ours.
I will remove my skip battle animation. Let's just use X speed. Oh, I think I can use a sync move.
Leave it to me.
Let's just use a... What does Eerie Impulse do? Oh my gosh, too strong. Perfecto. I can use a sync move.
Decisive victory is my aim. Strike now. Ha! This'll shock 'em. Yeah! Well done.
And that is it.
I'm impressed. Good work, kid.
O sige, akit na kayo. Aircon. Tapos tatak na ulit. Tatak na ulit.
What? Fantastic!
Voltorb is evolving!
Now that's exciting.
Electrode. Surging Charge Beam. Surging Charge Beam. Am I recording this? Yes, I am recording this. Let us repeat. I wanna see Electrode's Charge Beam. I'll skip the conversation, guys.
Will you lend me a hand?
May 100. Ano ba? May...
Victory will be ours.
Sync Orb Chance. You can get a Sync Orb Chance here.
Yeah!
Sorry for the background noises, guys.
Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Hit him hard. Strike now. Strike now.
Nice. Very nice.
Well done.
And I kind of got Zinnia's quote, and I use it all the time now. Nice. Very nice. Anyway, that's it, guys. That was Voltorb's evolution. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Lots of things to do. It's too many or too little time. Let's move in the next video.